Hello, my name is Jen Scolari, and I'm happy to present my research analysis on the topic of information literacy. I chose to focus this analysis to support a needs assessment for an information literacy course at my community college. The learner profile are high school students and first-year college students. I'm presenting this analysis to the Dean of Learning Resources and members of the college's curriculum committee. I distributed a short 5-question survey by email using Google Forms. I received 13 responses of total. Of note, 40% of my participants fit my learner profile. Here are the results from my survey. For question 1, I wanted to learn about their current research practices. Participants were asked how they conduct research. 100% use Google, 38% use the online library, and less than a quarter use the physical library. On average, 62% use Google and the library. For question number 2, I wanted to learn how participants approach researching a current event. Nearly all use Google, 38% use newspapers, and less than a quarter utilize books and journal articles. I also wanted to learn how my participants approach researching a topic for an essay. Participants overwhelmingly chose websites and then journal articles. Books and newspapers were not selected by any participants. For this next question, I wanted to focus specifically on library resources. Participants were asked which, if any, of the library resources they use. 38% use library catalog for books, 30% use OneSearch and the research databases. Finally, nearly 1/3 stated they do not use the library at all. My final question is geared to getting help and communication preferences. I was surprised that 92% prefer to get help in person, followed by email and text message, which were 46% each, and then Zoom. Live chat and phone are the least preferred communication mediums. Here are a few conclusions that I gathered from my survey. We should increase library awareness for resources beyond books. According to this survey, 53% use the library for books, 70% do not utilize our article databases, and finally, 30% do not use the library at all. We should also work to increase information literacy among learners by teaching them how to select sources based on information need, using the library to locate journal articles, and how to evaluate online content for accuracy and credibility. Here are some things that we should consider moving forward. There is a reason why Google is the preferred method for conducting research. It is easy to use and convenient. We should work to increase accessibility and usability of library resources, particularly our article databases. Also, I think we should survey faculty to identify research gaps among our learners. Finally, I recommend we benchmark information literacy practice in higher education. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me at jenscolari@gmail.com.